Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to flush DNS cache on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To flush DNS cache on Google Chrome browser, go to Google Chrome and in address bar just type the address chrome clone /net hyphen internet hash DNS. I will post this address in description so that you can use it. And then here in left pane DNS is selected, and here you will find host resolver cache, and here a button clear host cache. Just click on clear host cache and then it will flush DNS cache on Google Chrome browser. Just click on clear host cache. DNS cache is flushed on my Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.